Good afternoon, Daddy. I was up late doing the Fernando dance, so I want to go back to sleep. Go wake up Tiki. Hello, I hear my music. It's great. Great to be alive. Great to be a chinchilla.
Hello, Doc and Cookie.
Hello, Daddy. I was just hanging out with Cookie. You gotta bug us. You always gotta bug us with that camera. I don't think Cookie wants to be in the picture anyway. Hello, Daddy. I don't want to be in the picture. You have enough pictures on YouTube without me in it. I'm the shy one. I don't want to be in the picture. Goodbye, Daddy. Bebop, let's dance. Let's twist again, like we did last summer. Let's twist again, like we did last year. Yeah, good dancing. Hi, Daddy. It's been a long, hard day. Got a treat? There's a treat. Oh, come on, Dad. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. That's my bag. I'm taking the bag. Ha ha. Okay. Come on, Dad. I'll be good. Can I just have one treat? Come on. Come on, please. Ah, great. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.
Who's the cutest boy in the world? It's Tiki. Who's the cutest boy in the world? It's Tiki. Who's the cutest boy in the world? It's Tiki the chinchilla. Tiki. Tiki. Who's the cutest boy in the world? It's Tiki the chinchilla.
Well, his poop don't smell. Oh, his poop don't smell. Oh, his poop don't smell, and that's my lucky boy. His poop don't smell. Oh, his poop don't smell. No, his poop don't smell, that's my lucky boy. Well, he cries and he shouts. When my girl comes over, he pouts.